Hi all, in this video I will show how to redo a Plasti-dipped glove box button and trim for my SAAB 9.3 Aero. But before we go into that, make sure to hit the subscribe button, write in the comment that I subscribed and I will get back to all of you. So to the video, about 7 years ago I painted the button and trim above the glove compartment with Plasti-dip. Now I noticed that on the button for the glove compartment that the paint had started to peel off. I was surprised that it held up for so long. I started with the button, but noticed that there was too much color difference, so I decided to also do the trim. I painted 5 layers to give it a thick coating for more durability. The movie shows the first 5 layers first for the button, then the 5 layers for the trim and last but not least the finishing result. First I needed to peel away the old Plasti-dip, just find a grip and peel away the parts that got stuck. I used a sharp knife. Paint the first layer very thin and pick up a bit more paint on the other layers. Let it dry according to instructions between layers. Be careful when pulling away the protecting tape, it can get stuck on the dried Plasti-dip when pulled away. Pull away the tape when the last layer of Plasti-dip still is wet.